Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Haviland Elementary School in Waterford, Michigan. This is my second time here now, and a beautiful day with the JK students all the way through 5th grade. Got to talk today about diversity, differences on the outside, the inside, that we still respect people no matter what, right? But also the need for human kindness. So the shirt that I wore today, obviously the need human kindness, that peace sign here, starts right in our hearts, right? That's the start of us showing love, of having compassion, of really choosing kindness and really spreading this love throughout the planet. And so a lot of the stories that I shared dealt with students that chose to stand up for what's right and include other people, despite them being born different. Some of them that had no hands, some of them that had problems with their speech, that they still looked past all that, saw them for their hearts, and chose to kind of rise above that hate, be the bigger person, and just show this human kindness and this human love. And one of the main concepts that we keep talking about every time I come is how all of us have the letter M etched on our palms, M for miracle, and upside down W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and to receive it. And once we believe that, then we can go out and start shining our lights, right? And raise up people higher than ourselves. One of those stories I shared was about a 4-year-old girl who was told that love is as big as the world, but it's in all of our hearts. So doesn't that mean that it's trying to burst out? That's what she thought. And that's exactly the point. But we have to let this love and kindness burst out. And we do that by how we treat people and how we respect them and how we honor who they are. So thanks for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Never forget this, that you're all miracles. Hope to see you again. Until then, much love. Peace.